Welcome to the Dotcom tutorial on how to use the newsletter element. Are you looking to increase your customer relations? Adding a section encouraging website visitors to subscribe to your email list is an excellent way to strengthen your customer relations. Go to the desired theme page and click Elements. Drag and drop the newsletter element to the design canvas. Hover over the element to edit the newsletter element, container column, and container row. 1. Newsletter element. Click the edit icon on the element. It has 3 tabs: Content, Style, and Advanced. Go to the Content tab. It contains 2 sections, Form fields and buttons. Expand the Form field section. Here, you can edit the name and configure the corresponding field. To edit the field, click Edit. In the next window, you can customize the label, placeholder, and width of the field. Click Save. Next, choose an input size for the field. Along with this, you can alter the visibility of the label. Now, expand the Buttons section. Here, you can effortlessly adjust the type, size, text, width, and alignment of the button. If needed, you can add an icon for your button and customize the icon-related parameters like width, height, position, and spacing. Now, switch to the Style tab. Under the Form section, you can adjust the column gaps and row gaps for different screen types. Next, adjust the typography and text color of the label. You can use the Fields section to modify the typography, text color, BG color, and border parameters of the field added to the newsletter. To customize the style format of the button element, expand the next section. Here, you get to customize the style format of buttons in normal and hover modes, including the icon color. Let's go through the normal mode first. Here, you can adjust the typography, color, and other parameters of the button in normal mode. You can switch to hover mode and perform similar customizations. Finally, go to the message section to adjust the typography, success message color, and error message color. Here, you can either choose from the global set or customize your own style. Now, switch to the last tab, Advanced. Here, you can customize the margin, padding, and width values of the newsletter element for different screen types. Next, you can adjust the values of the CSS parameters. Now, go to the Background section. Here, you can configure the background parameters of the newsletter element in normal mode and the hover effect. Select the Normal tab. Here you can set the background type as color or image. Along with that, you can set the radius and box shadow values. Now, expand the Border section. Here, you can customize the border type, border color, and border width for normal and hover modes separately. The last section in this tab is Visibility, where you get to hide the newsletter element on different screen types. 2. Container column. Select Edit and click the Content tab. Here, adjust column parameters like width, gap, alignment, and widget space for different screen types. Go to the Style tab. It has 2 modes, Normal and Hover. Here, you can customize the style parameters for the background and border for each mode separately. Lastly, you can use the Advanced tab to make further customizations on the container column. 3. Container row. Hover over the container row and click Edit. You can customize the content, style, and advanced settings here. Select the Content tab. Here, you can adjust the content width, height, row gap, column position, vertical align, and HTML tag. Switch to the Style tab. It has normal and hover tabs. Under each mode, you can effortlessly configure the background and border customizations of the container row. Go to the Advanced tab. Here, you can customize the margin, padding, and CSS parameters. Further, you can adjust the responsive and visibility. That is all about the container row. In addition to the above customizations, you can also carry out general customizations on your newsletter element. Here, you can change the position of the element, add new containers, or delete the element with the click of a button. Save the changes and click Preview to see the updated design. That ends our tutorial on how to use the newsletter element on Dotcom. We'll be back with more helpful tutorials to help you design your website using Dotcom. If you have any queries or concerns, please reach out to our implementation specialist or contact our support team for further assistance. Thank you for watching.